And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
No problems on the roadways right now. Skycam, look at Thurbers Avenue, 95 in Providence. And tomorrow morning, no problems on the roads, just cloudy conditions. But by the evening, probably some wet roads, even though it's going to be snowing much of the day. The roads will mainly just stay wet during the late morning and early afternoon, right towards the evening commute. Temperature right now, 29 in North Attleboro, 32 in Smithfield, 34 in Newport. Not all that cold, but it's like throwing a pass in a football game into double coverage and you got to thread the needle. That's what we're doing with this snow event tomorrow. We are surrounded by all these warm temperatures for the next 6 to 10 to 14 days. But there's a couple days that are cold, and tomorrow's one of them. We're going to time out some snow. I want to show you this. So often, everyone says, it's always so windy. Well, we only show you the wind graphic when it's really windy. So let me show you the wind graphic when it's calm outside. What a difference 24 hours makes. Last night, the winds were whipping around. Right now, hardly anything. It's really quiet and still out there tonight. Clouds are built in, though, and they're here. And temperatures drop back into the upper 20s tonight, up to the mid-30s by 8 a.m. Lots of clouds. That's about it. Precipitation doesn't arrive until after 9 a.m., 10 a.m. for areas north. And it will be a little mixing at the coast, otherwise snow. And I dropped the temperatures a bit. I'm going to go mid to upper 30s. I think 40 will be out of the question, but still above freezing, still falling during the day. And the snow rate's not impressive enough to overcompensate all that and therefore pile things up on the road. Now, grassy surfaces, that will get some accumulation. Your deck, your porch, your parked car that's sitting idle for many, many hours will get a little accumulation. Mix at the coast, snow southeastern Mass, temperatures mid to upper 30s. Winds will be out of the south, very light. No wind with this, too. So high pressure moving away. Here comes the system. You can see it organizing and moving north. It will travel up 95 during the night, and by morning, it will arrive sometime around 9 o'clock. So here's all the rain. It encounters the just cold enough air. And again, it's just cold enough. It's marginal. So therefore, a lot of the roads will stay wet. When you have snowfall in March, and it's during the day, it's hard for that snow to accumulate on the roads unless you get a really solid burst. I just don't see that happening. But it does snow all day, and the roads will be mainly wet, grassy surface accumulation, some mixing right along the immediate coast. And then through the evening hours, once it gets dark, there could be just a little accumulation on the roads once we lose daytime light outside and it gets dark. But other than that, it's out of here so quick and so fast. And Thursday is really mild. So I said in the snowfall graphic, coating to 2 inches of snow for all locations in the light blue. And there could be an isolated 3-inch amount. That's not out of the question. If you have a little elevation, like areas like Northwest Rhode Island, or maybe through Exeter, West Greenwich, East Greenwich, you could get a 3. But whether you get coating 1, 2, 3, the temperatures on Thursday and Friday are going to soar to 50 degrees with sunshine. And whatever you get tomorrow melts is gone. We go into Friday night to Saturday, probably the more concerning part of the forecast with some rain and wind, ending as a few snowflakes Saturday night, and then cold on Sunday after you turn the clocks ahead 1 hour. Daylight saving time begins Saturday night. Nick.
I'm Nick Coyne, live in